Josiasa ma kaluo masiro piny owacho masani omedo jiwo jopiny ni ochiw lwasi makare ma dongruok choponegi kowuok kuom piny owacho. Josiasa go ma otimo limbe kaunti ma Kisumu wacho ni oganda nyaka yie mar rwako duond buche mamoko e kindgi kendo winjo duol mamoko manigi ote mar dongruok. Ne giloso kane gichopo nyasi ma solro mar gedo ma kanisa ma St. Teresa's Korowe kaunti ma Kisumu. Bende gikawo thuolo mar jiwo oganda mondo mi omak motegno chenro mar rito alwora.
Ismail Karan Ojopo Mia Beach Apenji MC Radio Bijibu kwa TV.
And I want to emphasize that it is important to be in government. Government is where there are resources. We cannot pretend and say that the responsibility of the government in power is to bring development everywhere. They make choices, and choices means that you can make a choice that is not benefiting our people as the Luo.
Honestly, we have had only one party. And remember, in Nyanza, we have the Kisis, we have the Kurias, we have the Subas, and we have the Luos. But apparently we've only had single party for the Luo, Nyanza, and Suba and Kuria side. But it is time that we begin to have alternatives.
When you talk of political parties, they are used to spearhead development. So it means if you have so many political parties, even in the Luo land, the Luo community, it means development for our people. So it is time for the Luo community to think twice and consider the UGM.
The second thing is about political parties fund. Kenya gives almost 2 billion per year for political parties. Now, this money goes to Western for several people. It goes to PC and everywhere. In Luo, it only goes to one party called ODM, where nobody even can account for it. So we are saying we also want to be partakers. We are encouraging all other political parties to also go forth so that they can also be partakers of the political parties fund.
It cannot be that in this particular election again you want the Luo to demonstrate. The end result is that Raila Odinga benefits. I think it is not fair for the Luo people. We cannot be perpetually in poverty because of one man. We are happy to oppose the government. I mean, it's a constitutional right, but it cannot be just opposing government for Raila's sake. We acknowledge that picketing is a constitutional right, but we think this particular picketing is a wrong kind of thing to give to the Luo nation. Let the people be free, let the people make decisions, and let 2027 be a chance where people can go to the ballot to elect leaders worth their salt.